Hi guys, good morning. Dito kami ngayon ulit sa San Angelo State Park, together with my kiddos. So ito yung office, entrance office guys. Dito kayo magbabayad ng $4 per person. So ayan yung parking area dyan ng mga employee. Yung daan papunta sa Longhorn area. And there's another area here sa left side na malawak din. So tingnan lang namin kung saan namin makikita yung mga bison na alaga nila dito sa San Angelo State Park. They are considered wild pa guys. So ito yung area dito guys ng San Angelo State Park. Parang lati lang lati sa salitang Cebuano. They're not showing up. Here also is the area for bisons. Hey bisons, are you not showing up this morning? Come on. Oh, there they are. All right, look at that guys. Oh wow, see that? That one, see? Oh wow, that's big, that's huge. Ang laki ng katawan guys, oh. Mga 6-footer siguro yung tangkad nito guys, no? Hindi lang. Look at that guy. See that? Galing, swerte talaga kami. So nakita namin guys. Meron pa doon guys, so marami. Marami pa doon sa area yan. Ito lalaki oh. Laki. Laki guys oh. Tingnan mo. Isa oh. Di ba? Doon marami pa doon. Di ba guys? That's a bison. Yun there. Laki. Yeah. So yun guys, yan lang may share ko sa inyo ngayon. We were able to see those bison. Bye bye guys.